Welcome to Locksmiths in Bristol. Are you in need of an emergency locksmith in the Bristol area? We are reliable and trusted locksmiths experienced in all domestic and commercial lock replacement and key replacement services. Have you ever been locked out of your house and lost your door keys? First thoughts are to break a window to gain entry, but this will just lead to more expense. Instead, call us anytime, day or night, and we'll be there to let you in, with no damage at all to your property. We'll replace your door lock and leave you with a new set of keys, no fuss. And our 24-hour locksmith service costs much less than you might think. Locked yourself out of your shop, factory, garage or workshop? No problem. Just call our hotline and we'll get a locksmith to you in no time at all. Misplaced those safe keys? Don't worry. Just call us and we'll get an experienced locksmith to your premises within the hour. We're available for all types of commercial premises. Locks and keys is what we do best. We also fit all types of locks to properties including window locks, deadlocks, timed locks and security locks. We can also repair locks too. Ask us about our lock replacement and lock repair services in Bristol and the surrounding areas. Don't hesitate to contact us for lock repairs and replacements, new lock fitting, garage doors and patio door locks, security locks and deadlocks, combination locks, multi-point locks, Euro cylinder and mortise locks, window locks. Private and commercial lock inquiries are welcome. We are fully insured, experienced and qualified locksmiths. For your convenience, we operate a 24-hour and 7 days a week service in the Bristol area. Call in and visit us today or simply pick up the phone and we'll come to you. We're here to serve you.